Today we will solve exercise 2.4 question number 1. Find dy by dx by making suitable substitution. And first part is y is equal to root 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x. How to find out dy by dx? Differentiate by with respect to x by making suitable substitution. It means this whole term we will let this term, then we will sort out. Now let's solve. Y is equal to this. Let suppose u is equal to 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x. So our y become, if we consider this term as u, then y is equal to under root u, and this we name equation 1 and this we name equation 2. First of all, we solve for equation 1. Differentiate equation 1. Now here you can easily see that variable is x, so we will differentiate u with respect to x. Differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. So du by dx is equal to, now we can see that two variables are in the form of quotient. We apply quotient rule. And what does quotient rule say? According to quotient rule, derivative of any two quotient variable is equal to v derivative of u minus u derivative of v whole divided by v square. Now we apply on this term quotient rule. First of all, we will consider this term as u and this term as v. Now v is 1 plus x. We consider v as 1 plus x, and derivative of u is 1 minus x minus u is 1 minus x, derivative of v is 1 plus x whole divided by v square. V is 1 plus x whole square. Du by dx is equal to 1 plus x as it is. Now derivative of 1, we will apply derivative 1 by 1 both of these two terms, and derivative of 1 is constant. Derivative of any constant is 0, and derivative of x is 1, and derivative of minus x is d by dx minus x is minus 1. Minus 1 minus x, derivative of 1 is constant, and derivative of any constant is 0, plus derivative of x with respect to x is 1 plus x whole square as it is. Now du by dx is equal to, we simplify further, minus 1 into 1 minus 1, minus 1 into plus minus x, minus 1 minus into minus plus x, 1 plus x whole square. Now minus x plus x both cancel each other, minus 1 minus plus 1 plus 1 2 sine minus 2 divided by 1 plus x whole square. Now we will solve equation 2, and equation 2 is y is equal to u. Y is equal to under root u. Here variable is u, so we'll differentiate equation 2 with respect to u. dy by du is equal to 1 by 2 and x is u. Here we apply power rule, as you can see that variable in the form of power, so we will differentiate variable in terms of power, and the power rule is nx n minus 1. Here x is u, and x and n is 1 by 2 minus 1. So 1 by 2 u, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 will become minus 1 by 2, and 1 by 2, when we take in the denominator, minus 1 by 2 will become positive 1 by 2. Now by using chain rule, dy by dx is equal to dy by du dot du by dx. Now we find out the value of dy by du and du by dx. Now both of these two values we will substitute here. So our dy by dx will become dy by dx is equal to, value of dy by du is 1 by 2 under root u dot du by dx minus 2 by 1 plus x whole square. As we know that u is equal to 1 minus x, 1 plus x. So 1 by 2 under root 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x minus 2 1 plus x whole square. Now when we multiply both of these two terms, what we will get? Minus 2, and this whole term is in the denominator, we will take in the numerator, and numerator is multiplied by minus 2 divided by 2 under 1 minus x 1 plus x whole square. Now 2 and 2 cancel, and minus 1 divided by under 1 minus x, 1 plus x is 2 whole raised to power 2, and here 1 plus x whole raised to power 1 by 2. When we will take in this power, will take in the denominator, positive 1 by 2, value of under root is 1 by 2, and will take in the denominator, positive 1 by 2 become negative 1 by 2. So 2 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 4 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. So 1 plus x will become 3 by 2, which is our dy by dx required answer.